And the fury of the Bamboo Archers as that's another basket.
Mula doon sa 18 and under hanggang din sa 14 and under. Kumbaga nagsanib po.
Losing the ball there. Dumael will get that hanging shot. We have another instance of a player who is not on the list.
Kumbaga, kung ikaw ba naman lalamang ng 15 in the first half, kumbaga bago magsimula. Kumbaga, ibang pressure din based on the adjustment na nakikita natin. Lamang na lamang dito yung may kawayan.
Oh, and you've got a pound for pound fitness foul counted play there para dito kay Dumael. Dumael loses his man, goes inside and makes the basket.
What a move right there by Dumael.
Bato, you've got Dumael with this beautiful move. And Samonte also contributed